Hey there! Ever thought about trying out the stock market but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're breaking it down for you in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to jump into the world of investing. Let's go! What's up, everyone? Today, we're talking about investing in stocks. If you're new to this, don't worry. We're going to explain it all without any complicated stuff. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Okay, first things first, what are stocks? Think of them like slices of a pizza. Each slice represents a piece of a company. And the stock market? It's like a giant swap meet where people trade these pizza slices. Just like pizza slices, the value of stocks can go up or down depending on how much people want them. Simple, right? Step 2. Setting your goals. Now, let's think about why you want to invest. Are you saving up for something cool, like a trip with friends or a new gadget? Or are you thinking about your future, like going to college or moving out? Knowing what you're aiming for will help you figure out how much to invest and for how long. It's like planning your next big adventure. Step 3. Educating yourself. Learning about investing is like learning a new game. There are tons of ways to do it, like watching videos, reading articles, or talking to someone who knows their stuff. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel about making smart choices. It's like leveling up in a game. Step 4. Choosing your investments. Now, let's pick some investments. You can choose to buy shares of your favorite companies or invest in groups of companies called funds. It's like picking your favorite snacks at a party. It's smart to have a mix of investments to spread out the risk. That way, if one doesn't do well, you've still got others to count on. Step 5. Opening an investment account. To start investing, you'll need a special account called an investment account. It's like having a piggy bank, but for your investments instead of coins. You can set it up online or at a bank. Setting it up is easy, just like signing up for a game on your phone. You can ask someone you trust to help you out if you need it. Step 6. Making your first investment. Congrats, you're almost there. Making your first investment is like buying yourself a treat. Start with a small amount, like grabbing a snack with your pocket money. And don't worry if the value goes up and down. That's totally normal. Investing is like growing a plant. You've got to give it time to grow big and strong. And that's it. You're now a stock investor, ready to grow your money and reach your goals. Thanks for hanging out with us, and happy investing!